Then, what is this?
Squid balls.
Squid balls. I don't know squid eyeballs.
We're going to a wedding.
Yeah,
It's raining right
one of my friends' weddings.
now. TV.
El libro y el rosario. The Bible and rosary, please. Señor, bendice estos hijos con tu presencia y con tu gracia. Y este libro, símbolo de su palabra, y el rosario, signo de la oración, que ellos reciben para guía en su vida, orando juntos y meditando juntos la palabra de Dios. Anastasia Carrillo, izquierda.
The next day.
Laki talaga ng waves, no? Aso allergy siya.
Can you put your name here? Parang
Oh, wow! Look at that. Woo! They're all cute. Yeah,
Can you
ganda.
send that to me?
Oh yeah, sure.
Nakunan mo lahat?
Nagalito. Oo. No. I just see the pelicans. I just know the pelicans. And then what is the seagull? Yeah.
Just facing. Not a homeless guy. He looked like it. Squeezing. Wag tayo bigyan ng squeezing.
Ate.
Cliff, that will be good. That now. Oh.
It's windy na.
Crochet pa ako. Kinukuha ko yung crochet ko. Doon ako nag-adjusted down. Adjusted down up here? Ang palaki ng kwento ko, no?
Oh, pampalaki ng hips.
So you haven't been back to the...
Na hindi mo pa kilala, kilala mo na. Ah!
Nung maliit ko, umalis ka nung umalis ka, teenager ka, pagbalik mo, matanda ka na, lahat na kamag-anak.
Ay, ang cute niyo.
Nalipatan na ko, kung dumadawat ka, yun na ka, sino ka?
Ang cute nito. Huh?
I'm just gonna wear my sandal for now.
Your sandal.
Maybe.
In half a mile, turn right to stay on Reservation Road.
Hello.
Meron kaming na-meet na dalawang babae sa beach. Sabi nila, punta kayo doon.
Ni-recommend nila yung ano.
Matanda na kayo, 3 years na pala. Kenny! Sino si Kenny? Ikaw?
Sisig. Ano sa'yo, te? Sausage.
You want some? You can have some.
This pita. We are home and it's currently 5:16. So let's do a quick haul from the Pacific Asian Filipino Market. Asian Filipino Market. We will do the haul for me. How much I paid for this?
Okay.
It's $44.91.
Okay, since I'm gonna do the haul for wifey.
Okay, first,
First, we have
mochi.
mochi.
Japanese style mochi. Nasa ano lang siya, $4.99.
And then-
Mura lang doon guys sa Pacific Asian store. Ito nabili namin to sa Garlic World.
Garlic
Nasa
pickles.
$10.
Pickles, yay! I love pickles.
Sweet and spicy.
Then
Tita.
pizzas.
Bok choy. Ayan. Ayan kung magkano itong bok choy.
And then we got pears or apples.
Mura lang. It's cheap. Crown pears. Nasa ano lang siya. $3.99. Diba?
Then we have
Another mochi.
more mochis.
Yeah.
You like mochis?
Yeah, it's a fruit mochi. I think
And then-
flavored cantaloupe.
Another one.
Then Japanese style green tea mochi.
The next is core.
Nor
No,
chicken nor cubes.
no core.
Oh my god.
Then is fried chili paste.
Mura lang paninda nito doon guys nila.
Oh, it's Bulldog
Hmm.
hot sauce.
Magkano? How much? $6.
Then what is this?
Squid balls.
Squid balls. I don't know if squid had balls.
They make the squid balls.
I thought that was in Squid Games. Then garlic.
Then
Sweet potatoes.
sweet yams.
Yams.
Yeah. Purple yams.
And
And this one, ito naman, yung leftover namin sa, ay, saglit lang. And we paid pala, I paid $44.91 dito sa grocery. Ang dami na. Tapos mura lang paninda nila. Okay. And then, ito yung leftover namin. Biko na, na ubi flavor. Masarap siya, guys. Iwan magkano yan.
then we
And
have
then, I have here my leftover, which is rice and sisig. Pork sisig. Ayan. Yan siya, guys. Ang daming serving. Hindi namin naubos ni ate. So, yan lang. So, thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Yan, nakauwi na kami ni ate.
My wife had a fun time.
Yeah,
I was not with her.
it's fine.
That's why she had a fun time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bibihis muna ako. Nakabihis na pala ako, guys. So, ito pala yung ayan, biko na siya, na ubi flavor. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ayan, ito, hindi siya gaanong matamis. Doon yan namin nabili sa Filipino cuisine. Doon sa Marina. Ayan siya, oh. Ubi flavor. Tapos binigyan ko ako ni Ate Ilis ng apple, sari-sari. Ito motso na apple. May mga label to eh. ito ata, ano ito yung regular na apple na, ano ba yun? Yung crisp. Motso yung pangalan. Yan yung itsura niya. Yung green apples. May mga pangalan pala. Dito makikita. Nabili niya daw sa orchard. Parang farmer's market na nabili na talaga ng mga apples. Tapos ito naman is, yan yung pangalan niya, pipin. Ito naman yung ano yung itsura. Yung green apple din siya pero ibang variety. Ay, ganito pala siya. Ibang klase rin. May parang ano siya dito. So, ito yung pipin apple. Ayan siya sa gitna. So, apat yan. Apat. Ayan. Meron pa doon dalawa. Tapos ito, apat din binigay niya. Tapos yung ganito, apat din. So, 12 lahat. Yung mga label eh. Ito na lang ilagay yung apple ko. Ayan. Thank you, Ate Elise.